let's make a blush palette. This is project number 2 from the Simply Earth DIY makeup kit. I have melted all of my ingredients to make a cream blush. I have also added the DIY mineral makeup base along with the colors to make the pink punch shade. It is let me turn this over. This is a rose red, fuchsia, and gold, yellow gold mica powders. So I have measured those out. I have them right here in the mineral base, and I'm going to mix it up together. They also have wild orchid, which is like a purple pink, a pink lemonade, which is a pale bubblegum pink color, and coral, which is obviously coral, an orange pink color. So I am just mixing this up. I think this is going to be pretty good for me. So that's what I've come up with there. I melted this stuff. Let's see, once melted, put the essential oils in. So I'm going to use 3 drops of the Beauty Within essential oil blend. I will tell you what's in it. Come on. This has myrrh, frankincense, rosemary, and lavender essential oils in it. So I'm going to add the oil mixture to the powders. And here goes nothing. It's kind of exciting. Now I've already made the moisturizing glow balm, and that was the first project that I made from this kit. The last project will be a DIY eyeshadow palette, which I really like eyeshadow a lot. I don't wear makeup as much as I used to, but still, especially to church on Sundays, I wear eyeshadows. I have blue eyes, so brown eyeshadows are really good for me, and they do have the mica powders and the iron oxide powders, which will make brown. So yikes. All right, it's getting a little harder. It's starting to solidify. So this is a cream blush. I'm going to tell you, I do not have a lot of experience with cream blushes, which is why I decided to make this particular recipe. You can make this as a loose mineral powder recipe. You can make it as a pressed powder, or you can make it as the cream blush. So this gives me a perfect opportunity to try it with a cream blush. I'm going to have to melt this down a little more. It is starting to solidify pretty quickly. It's a cool in my kitchen today. But anyway, you get the idea. Let's see if I can. So you can see that is pretty darn pigmented. I'm obviously going to have to use less, but a nice pink shade. I think this will work for me. So if you would like to get your own DIY makeup kit and make your own mineral makeups from Simply Earth, I will leave you the link below. You can have 10% off on that kit anytime you decide to order. And anyway, good luck. I'm looking forward to trying the next thing, the eyeshadows. So stay tuned for more. Take care.